Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your referral code in GCash. So first up, what you need to do is to open your GCash app on your device. Then from here, it should ask you for your MPIN or your thumbprint scan or Face ID, depending on which mode of verification you enabled for your GCash. And then once you're at the dashboard, you're going to tap on Profile at the bottom right corner, and you should be able to see your referral code or refer a friend settings or options right here. But do take note that this might not be available for everyone, as GCash might have updated some features. So if you have this feature, then you should be able to see it on this section. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.